In this question, you have to identify the process which makes major difference between C3 and C4 plants. Option A, photorespiration. Now, photorespiration occurs in C3 plants when oxygen competes with carbon dioxide for binding to the enzyme rubisco, thus leading to the loss of fixed carbon and energy. While C4 plants minimize photorespiration by separating carbon fixation and the Kelvin cycle spatially using a mechanism that is involving this p carboxylase, which has higher affinity for carbon dioxide and does not bind oxygen. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, respiration. It is incorrect because it is a universal process occurring in all living cells, including C3 and C4 plants. Option C, glycolysis. It is also incorrect because it is also a common metabolic pathway for glucose breakdown in all organisms. Option D, Kelvin cycle. It is also incorrect because it occurs in both C3 and C4 plants, but the way carbon dioxide is delivered to the Kelvin cycle is what that differs.